Convertible to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1966 Cadillac Deville convertible. 429 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front here. Great look with the stacked headlights, 66 model year. Cascade green, paint code 30-1, so white convertible vinyl top, 371 green leather interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the top up, top down. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Riding on steel wheels, Cadillac wheel covers, white wall radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. These long panels, nice and straight on this car. You may find a few imperfections in the paint. You can kind of see just a little bit of blisters there. It's tough to get it to show up. And don't get me wrong, this car, it has a nice finish to it, nice shine. Definitely a head turner. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've seen. We will show you the functioning top too. It's working just fine. It actually has a new convertible top pump. And I'll go over some other things that were done in service on this car. There you can see the bench seat up front. Very stock looking interior. Seat belts intact. Take a look from the rear to the front. Down the passenger side, fender skirts. Great look on this car. Chrome in the rear bumpers. Bright work looking good in the back. Looks like there might be a couple little touch-up spots right there again, and I'm being pretty fussy pointing those out, but I want to give you a fair idea how this car looks in person. All right, a few of those service items that I want to mention. Wipers work, the power windows work, the power seat works, the radio works. Front brake shoes were replaced. The rears are at 60%. The exhaust is complete with a muffler and resonator. New left rear axle seal and the rag joint was replaced. Tech did note your typical seeps as far as drivetrain from a car that is driven. Nothing out of the ordinary. And take a look at the still pictures. We have the underside. There's probably a couple dozen pictures of the underside. Again, top up, top down, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to look this car over very well. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you're into these Cadillac convertibles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done either online or right off our showroom floor. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email as we look up and down this driver's side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Convertible top cover. Fits nicely. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. There is a wear spot on this seat I want to show you. All right, so over here, again, power windows. Mentioned the power seat, and I have had that functioning in all directions. We do have some wear in the leather on this seat back where it has torque. Still fits on there nicely. Fold down center armrest. Let's fire it up. 429 V8, and it will fire right up. Every time I've started this car, she pops right off. Top of the dash looking good. I mentioned the radio's working.
North Star Power Sports and Marine, Primes Brewing,
and sounds good. Nice throttle response on this one too. Great idle. Door closes nicely. They don't sound like that anymore. All right, let's take a listen. Would this be a fun cruiser or what? And you know this thing's got to go down the highway just beautifully. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to do that, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride. Did notice there's a little spot up on the hood too. Again, I don't know if you can even see that in the pictures of the video, but little imperfection. Again, nothing major. Let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood pop. Check out that engine bay. Nice, clean, and tidy one underneath here. Hood liner. Looks like it has newer spark plug wires also. Man, does that thing run smooth. Looks good, sounds good. Power steering, power brakes, 429. Battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. If you want to do any decoding, there is a picture of the VIN and the cowl tag or the data tag. That's right up there. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. All right. Let me go ahead and get the tripod set up. And let's see how this top goes up and down. Check out the condition of that. And then remember, Jason's going to take it for a drive at the very end of the video. Stick around. And let's take a quick look at the top. Nice fit above the windshield. And as you could see, power top functions as it should. Power windows rolled back up, so I could show you how they fit into the convertible top. Nice fit there. White vinyl. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. This is a glass rear window. And really no discoloration or anything on this top. Extremely nice shape. What you'd expect. If you need it to keep you out of a brief shower, or maybe you want to get out of the sun, that top is going to serve its purpose just fine. And you can check it out in the still pictures from every angle also. So go ahead and check those out again, uniqueclassiccars.com. I will show you the top functioning and going back down here towards the end of the video. And at the very end of the video, Jason is going to take for a drive. Don't forget, 1966 Cadillac Deville convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1966 Cadillac Deville convertible, and we do have the top down today. What a great color on this car. As most Cadillacs, it starts up easily, purrs right away. Our turn signals are both working. It has fender mounted turn signal indicators, which I love. Our temperature gauge is coming up on a quarter of the gauge, which it hasn't been running very long. It's still rising. This is an automatic and it is easy to drive. Our fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. Speedometer is working as it should. Factory horn works. The wipers work on this car. The blower motor works on this car. Even the radio works as it should.
ZX Power.
Very nice looking inside and out. Handles nicely. The road feel is really good. It feels like a very low mile car. Power windows all around. If you're hearing any wind noise, that's just because we do have the top down. And the camera picks up a little bit of that. Very nice power brakes. Smooth braking. No pull to either side, no pulsation. A quiet running Cadillac runs as they should. There's just that nice low rumble when you're on the throttle. Power steering working very well. A big beautiful Cadillac. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1966 Deville at uniqueclassiccars.com.